Today I will show you how to use ComfyUI to make AI avatar using ComfyUI. Here I will use two workflow combination. One is Flux text to image and then connect that image as a source of COG image to video workflow and generate video from that image to get the base results. The Flux video is the 4-step video with Flux 1 Schnell model. First I will check the model's path because sometimes workflow and model's path system doesn't match and give error. So let's check and set the model name and path properly. After set the model path, set the height and width of the image. This node offers variety of image dimension. I choose 1024 by 1024 for this image. I also have some predefined text prompt which I will change later part of this video. This kind of prompt help to generate a perfect image for AI avatar and generate video based on that. To create COG model video based on text prompt and image, it's always good idea to have the same text to image prompt while processing the video. So I will copy and paste the same prompt from here to COG Video Workflows text prompt. Let's check the COG video models and other setting before we execute this combined video. In the COG video model, I am using basic COG Video X 5B 1.5i2V model, which is also a downloadable model while running this workflow if you don't download this model before. You can adjust the other part of this workflow here and resize the prompt text encode box for a clear view or more space. I have some more good AI avatar generation prompts, so let's use that for creating both image and video here. I will open my text pad and copy that good prompt and paste here. You can get the prompt from the description below. I used to keep my prompt ready to save the time of the video duration. First place the prompt you copied to COG Video Text Prompt, and then I will paste the same prompt text to Flux Workflow Text Prompt Box. Till now very easy, right? Now it's time to resize the workflow and make sure everything is perfect. Running two models together need lots of GPU memory. If you have less power GPU, then you can run the image and video generation process separately. Before running this workflow, make sure the video source image size is matching with the text to image prompt generated image size or not. Otherwise, it will not give proper video output. Other workflow setting will be same and untouched mostly. Only part 1 will change here in the video combine node, that is save output to true, otherwise it will not save the video in ComfyUI output folder. Set the value to true by clicking on it. That's it. Now you are ready to run this combined workflow. Resize it again and run this workflow to see the results. If you get memory allocation error, then run the COG video separately. To do that, create a load image node and connect it to resize image node's input and upload the picture here from ComfyUI output folder. For the time being, I will right-click and bypass this node as I already took the source from Flux image. You can recreate it anytime from by fix this node menu option. For now, let's bypass it and process further. Do the final adjustment in your ComfyUI workflow area, and after you adjust the workflow, it's always advisable to save the workflow so it will not give any error, and click on Q blue button to run this workflow. You can check there is any existing queue is running on not from left side's watch icon. If any workflow running the U workflow will in queue 2. After clicking on Q button, you will see some green line moving parallelly on the top, and it will process the text to image workflow first. Let me open my ComfyUI server console to check how it's processing on back end. Image is processing in 25% for each part, and here is image generated already. After image generated from Flux workflow, it's passed that image to COG Video Sampler node, and it will follow the COG Video text encode prompt for generate the video. COG video generation depend on many things. Number 1 is proper detailed prompt. If you give details prompt matched with your image, it will give you best results. Number 2, number of frames. Here my video is 16 frames per second for 3 seconds, so I set the value to 16 times 6 is equal to 48 plus 1 as per COG video model's parameter rules. Number 3 is memory. If you have less memory like 12 gigabytes, you should try this workflow to run separately. Number 4 is image size. For me, with 3090-24 gigabytes GPU memory, took around 11 to 12 minutes to generate a perfect video as per my text and image prompt. Less memory will always give memory allocation while generate video. If you have 12 gigabytes GPU, then you can use LTX 12 gigabytes model that I will publish later this week. If you like my channel, please hit like, share, and subscribe my channel. Let's check what's going on in the backend console of ComfyUI server. You can clearly see here that Flux 4-step workflow was executed in 13 seconds, and now it's processing the COG video solving node part and 58 seconds already passed out of 11 minutes and 18 seconds expected time for generate the video from this workflow. Now minimize the console and look the top bar can see the computer resource usage on the top for CPU, memory and GPU %, including temperature. At the same time you can check the queue which is now running for generating the video. Till now no memory allocation error, so I believe this workflow will run through. Any animation short of cartoon type you saw on my channel is completely generated locally by COG Video Workflow, and I used my own text-to-voice software to link with video which I will show you later part of this workflow which will make lip sync automatically with this COG video. I not used to register or buy any subscription from internet, rather that try to develop and share the experience with the community. Here you can see how much resource hungry this video models are. 17 gigabytes GB they reserved already. I fast forward the recording before, so now my video process is done already. Let's check the results. Very cool, right? Congratulations, you just created a COG video with Flux image for generate AI news channel avatar. As I told you before, this a workflow by which I want to create AI avatar, so let's open some GitHub Python project from Visual Studio. I used the code and made it customized by GUI, but you can run the project if you have little bit programming knowing by Visual Studio command prompt by following the project's README file. The project name is Video Real Talking, which is again free and available for download locally for lip sync with WAV and MP4 video format to together, and output is not bad as compared to other free lip sync model. I try out MuseTalk and other ComfyUI nodes, but it's took lots of time, so I research and find this free project. If you know any other free good lip sync projects NO API key, then please write community by sending in comment in video. I made a new single Python file with HTML, CSS and JS together for creating user-friendly interface where user will type or copy-paste any text, then chose the language and voice type like make or female and upload the video. A click on generate button. That's it. It will generate a lip sync video based on the COG video and your text together, and output you will be able to test in the same browser. Let's run my last modified code app2.py file from command prompt of VS Code and start working. After a few seconds it will open a new port 5000 to your local computer, and click on that link. It will open the web page where you can give the text for make automatic voice and sync with our COG video news avatar lady that we created before. I will copy and paste some text in the text box for generate audio file and select the language, voice type, speed of voice and upload the COG video which we created before and click on generate button. You have to find the ComfyUI output folder from your computer to find the video file. When you find the file, select it and click on open button. It will upload the video file in the required directory which I set already by Python programming. After upload process is finished, click on generate button. It will start processing the process of lip syncing locally with the uploaded button. If you have other video files you can download and try this project for lip syncing locally. Here is my Python program is running for generate lip syncing and generate news channel avatar. By this way you can create image and video for male anchor also and sync with the voice and generate a perfect podcast if you have the script. In the future I will show how to link ComfyUI node with Llama 3.3 and create a perfect script and generate this king of project. While this video process is going on, let's go and check the ComfyUI video to recall our memory how the video was so we can match it with the lip sync video. If you want to generate more movements of your avatar in video, then just increase the number frames to higher level, like 160 plus 1 is equal to 161 to get a 10 seconds video based on 16 FPS or frame rate. Let's go and check the lip sync video that was generated by this time, I believe. Run the video from player in the browser and see the output and lip sync quality.
Stand at the center, and a holographic banner floating above that reads AI Talent Showdown. The audience is a mix of humanoid robots, floating drones, and humans in futuristic attire, all cheering.
Very cool, right? So if you like my video, please watch my channel regularly and subscribe my channel and click on notification button to get information about any new video uploaded in my channel. Thank you for watching.